Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel about the perfect birthday gift for little girls, a ballet jewelry box. Today, we'll be unboxing this beautiful jewelry box and showing you all its features and details. Let's start by opening the box. As you can see, the box has a lovely orange color, which is perfect for any little girl's room. The design features a ballet dancer and a cute little bunny in a forest, which creates a magical and dreamy atmosphere. Well, the box is made of durable MDF, medium density fiberboard material and features a fashionable silver lock. It has gone through strict safety testing to ensure that it's safe for children to use. The box is 7.1 by 4.5 by 3.9 inches when closed, making it the perfect size for little girls' bedrooms. And the best part is that this jewelry box doesn't need batteries to play the music. Just wind up the bottom spring 4 to 5 times, open the lid, and watch the ballerina doll start spinning. So, there you have it, a beautiful ballet jewelry box that is perfect for little girls. It's a wonderful birthday gift that your little girl will cherish for years to come. And here are some usage tips for the jewelry box. Make sure to wind up the spring at the bottom of the box regularly to keep the music playing smoothly. Also, encourage your little girl to keep her jewelry and other items in the box to prevent them from getting lost or tangled. And when your little girl opens the box, she'll be delighted to hear the magical Waltz of the Flowers music that starts playing automatically. The music is crystal clear and will create a magical atmosphere that your little girl will love. Overall, we think that this ballet jewelry box is a beautiful and practical gift for any little girl who loves ballet and jewelry. It's perfect for keeping all her special items organized and safe, and the magical music and spinning ballerina doll will add a touch of enchantment to her room. We hope you enjoyed our video and that it helped you decide whether this jewelry box is the right gift for your little ballerina. But the beauty of this jewelry box is not only on the outside. Inside, you can find a spacious bottom drawer for storing all your little girl's precious jewelry, bracelets, earrings, and other memorabilia. This box is perfect for keeping everything organized and in one place. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and leave your comment. This is our greatest support. Thank you.